Crane 1, clear to lower the load.
Roger that.
Bay 3 is clear for the aluminum profiles. The vibration analysis shows consistent levels across the starboard sensors.
Good. The thermal readings are well within tolerance.
This section here shows a slight variance in the coating thickness.
Yes, the robot arm needs recalibration for the next unit. All parameters are within tolerance. The paint application is perfect.
Agreed. We can approve the module.
Phase 3 complete. All indicators green.
Flawless integration. Ready for stress testing. We have confirmation on the lock sequence.
Perfect. Another one done.
The gloss reading here is exceptional.
Confirmed. Uniformity is within tolerance across the board.
Curing cycle is optimal.
Confirmed. Sealing the oven now.
The color accuracy is perfect, but we have a slight anomaly on the smoothness index. It's negligible. The scan results are approved. The reflection near the edge here seems slightly off.
Yes, I see the inconsistency. Logging it now.
Calibration sequence complete. All parameters are within tolerance.
Excellent. The mirror housing is secure.
Check the thermal reading on the upper quadrant.
Confirmed. We have intrusion near the headlight assembly.
Probe synchronization is stable. We have a green light across all metrics.
Excellent. Finalizing the report now.
Stopping force is within tolerance.
Check the balance differential on the last cycle. The slow motion sequence confirms the integrity of the seals.
Agreed. We are seeing zero degradation after the 50,000 cycle equivalent.
Calibration complete. All green.
Noted. Uploading the specs now.
The power distribution looks stable across all modules.
Yes, the AI confirms full system optimization. We are cleared for level 4 calibration.
The vertical alignment seems off by 2 millimeters on the passenger side. Confirmed. The cutoff line is sharp, but it's drifting high.
Looks good to me. All checks passed.
Agreed. It's ready.
All right, slight correction to the left. Keep rolling straight.
And stop. Looks good.
When the road demands excellence, Mercedes-Benz deliver. Experience the pinnacle of design.
Thank you for joining our factory process journey.
Yes, please make sure to like and share.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for joining our factory process journey.
Yes, please make sure to like and share.
And don't forget to subscribe.